show. And our next LFB member is from the city of joy, Kolkata. The bomb beauty, the Bengal tigress, Dr. Rajni R. Garg, who is a clinical hypnotherapist, numerologist, tarot reader, holistic healer, and past life regression therapist. And of course, the LFB member, she's also a trained classical dancer. So let's have on the podium the multi-talented, the multifaceted Dr. Rajni R. Garg. So guys, we have Dr. Rajni R. Garg here, the Royal Bengal Tigress. Let me tell you guys that she's the winner of Women's Achiever Award, Women's Excellence Award, and Women's Entrepreneur Award. So we are so proud to have you on this podium, ma'am. Welcome to the LFB campaign.
Thank you, Veena.
Thank you, ma'am, for being here. Let me tell ma'am, please tell me all things about your healing remedies, because there are a lot of people who do not know what is holistic healing, what is clinical hypnotherapy, and so please tell us something about your healing powers.
First, I start with tarot card reading.
Okay.
Tarot card reading is a future predictive tool in which we predict the future and also guide people about any kind of questions or problems they are facing in life using the tarot cards.
Okay.
Okay. Like in astrology, we see the planets and do the predictions.
Yeah.
In numerology, we see the numbers, date of birth and do the predictions. Tarot card, in which we see the tarot card.
Okay.
So there is a spread of cards, and we spread the cards when the client is asking the question. We are supposed to choose the cards and then we have to interpret and do the prediction.
Fine.
So that's tarot card reading.
Okay.
And it is very accurate, very popular in Western countries. And like you can ask any question from that, past, present and future.
If we'll have a round of that later on. Tell me
Sure.
something about past life regression.
Past life regression is about past life, matlab पिछला जन्म, reincarnation. So, see, being a Hindu, we all believe in reincarnation.
Yes.
But we never thought that we can actually go to past life and we can see our past life, right? But our subconscious mind has the record of all our lives.
Okay.
All
Okay.
our past lives. But when we reincarnate, we actually forget about the past life.
Okay.
But there is some unfinished business. You know, you have heard ना karma.
Yes.
Like हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना कि हमारे पुराने कर्मों का फल हमें
हाँ,
मिलने
हाँ,
वाला है.
हाँ.
तो वो actually सच है.
Okay.
So what happens, like when there is a problem in our life, most of the time it is from the past life. There is some unfinished business which we have lived in the past life and we have to sort in this life. तो जैसे कि आपको कोई financial issues है या you see recurrent dreams, आपको कोई सपना बार बार आता है बचपन से, और you visit a place and there is a feeling of deja vu. ओके कि मैं कभी इस जगह पे नहीं आई बट मुझे फिर भी लगता है कि मैं शायद यहाँ पहले आ चुकी हूँ. और यू मीट अ पर्सन एंड यू फील दैट यू हैव मेट दिस पर्सन बिफोर. और यू हैव एनी फियर्स एंड फोबियाज रिलेटेड टू फायर, क्लॉस्ट्रोफोबिया, जैसे
Okay.
बंद जगहों का डर,
Okay.
हाइट का डर, आपको ऊंची जगह से डर लगता हो,
So it's all related to your past life.
वाटर से डर
Okay.
लगता है.
Okay.
बट आपको क्यों लगता है वाटर से डर, फायर से डर? इफ यू डोंट हैव एनी पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस विद दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द पास्ट लाइफ.
Okay.
So then we can go for past life regression treatment.
Okay.
And you can actually see what was the issue in your past life, and then we do the healing and that issue in your life also goes away.
Oh, great. Okay, you also spoke about men empowerment in one of your write-ups that I read. Guys, we always talk about women empowerment and women upliftment, but nobody thinks about men. Here is a lady who wants to go for men empowerment and their upliftment. Can you throw some light on it?
See, actually, I believe that a perfect society can only be achieved when men and women both work in total synchronization.
Absolutely.
But why do you think that only women needs empowerment? Don't you think men are dependent on women for everything? And then we have so many domestic violence, we have so much abuse, like men are abusing women. Do you think somebody who is so powerful would like to abuse anybody?
No.
So that means they are not empowered. There's somewhere that weakness and they are trying to cover that weakness. And that's why they are behaving like I am all high, mighty and powerful, but actually they are not. They're trying to hide their weakness, but they don't know how to do that. The only thing they know to like dominate the females, like to abuse the females, that thing they know.
Right.
So they also have issues. If you look from the viewpoint of a therapist, there is a issue in every man also.
Right.
Because they are also judged in this society. They are not only women, even men are judged.
Okay.
But उनको ऐसे सिखाया गया है ना कि you cannot cry, you cannot emote, You cannot express your feelings in front of others. So that is more pathetic actually. क्योंकि लड़कियां तो फिर भी थोड़ा रो धो के इस उससे कन्फाइड करके अपना गम हल्का कर सकती है, बट इनको तो पहले से मैचो मैन बना दिया गया है,
रो भी नहीं सकते,
बट दे आर ह्यूमंस, राइट?
एब्सोल्युटली।
हाँ, तो उनको भी हक है कि वो लोग रो सके, बट अब नहीं करते तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन जमा होता रहता है। अब एक ही आइडिया निकलता है, जाओ जाके रेप करो, अब्यूज करो, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस करो। सो आई थिंक मेन एम्पावरमेंट इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड।
Absolutely. That is a great concept that she's thinking about. Rajni ji, you are striving into getting into plus size modeling. Any type of body shaming or any type of social degradation that you have experienced in your past life or in your childhood regarding being a plus size person?
Absolutely. If you are born in India, I mean, if you are born in abroad also, then also people used to, how can you believe that being an overweight child, I would not be subjected to body shaming? It started from early childhood only.
Okay.
Like as little as I was 5 years of age, and people started talking like, इसकी तो शादी नहीं होगी, ये तो मोटी है, इसको कम खिलाओ। एंड माई सिस्टर इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी फेयर, वेरी स्लिम, तो सब कंपैरिजन स्टार्ट हो गया।
Always there in Indian society.
हाँ, कि इसकी तो हो जाएगी, इसकी तो नहीं होगी, इतना दहेज देना पड़ेगा। All bullshit crap, huh? And like, why do you say all these things in front of a kid? Even the kid can understand that something negative is being said.
Right.
And how would you say like, एक 5 साल की बच्ची को कैसा लगता होगा ये सब फालतू की बकवास सुन के? बट पता नहीं यहाँ पे क्या क्राइटेरिया है, तो बॉडी शैमिंग तो शुरू से स्टार्ट हो गया। बट ओनली माई फादर वॉज देयर। एक मेरे फादर हमेशा बोलते थे कि ये सब मत सुनो, बट देन आई लॉस्ट माई फादर एट एन अर्ली एज, तो मुझे वो सपोर्ट सिस्टम भी गया।
So now since you want to venture into the modeling field, do you think LFB is the right platform for you and it's going to be a life changer for you?
I think absolutely, why not? Anything, if you are thinking something about plus size women, आप लोग ने एक कदम उठाया है कि प्लस साइज वुमेन के बारे में कुछ सोचा जाए और उनको आगे बढ़ाया जाए, तो व्हाई नॉट? कोई तो सोचता भी नहीं है, कम से कम आप लोगों ने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है, तो ऑब्वियसली एंड यू आर डूइंग योर बेस्ट टू ब्रिंग प्लस साइज वुमेन एंड टू शेयर देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस। लेकिन हम लोग भी दुनिया को बता सकते हैं कि हम लोग भी कुछ कर सकते हैं। सी ब्यूटी इज नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू एज, शेप, वेट, साइज एंड शेप, जो भी है, ठीक है। हर औरत खूबसूरत होती है मेरे नज़र में, तो वुमेन का मतलब भी ब्यूटीफुल होता है, एंड every woman's body is amazing, so what is there to hide?
Absolutely, that's absolutely right. Dr. Rajni, I read in one of your write-ups that you in your remedies you remove black magic also. Does black magic still prevail in this technologically progressed country?
Like I get so many cases of black magic removal, so I would say, like when I went to this subject, actually I learned removing black magic in clinical hypnotherapy only. Okay. So I was in level 4 and they said that we have to learn spirit removal and black magic, and I got very pissed off. I asked the facilitator, are you crazy? What the hell is this? Why are you saying all these things? I don't believe in all these things. So the answer which I get is, if you don't believe that sun is there, moon is there, but they will still prevail.
Right.
And good and evil, good and bad are always there. So if you don't believe in evil, how will you sort that problem?
Definitely.
So both the energies are there, right? Even the good energies are there, and black magic is also there, white magic is also there. Now it depends on you which one you
Okay, there is white magic also.
Actually, we call it positive energy,
Positive
because the
energy.
divine energy is also there. How will we treat that black magic issue? But trust me, lots of people are a victim of black magic, and not only in India. I have got cases from abroad also.
Oh my God.
People from abroad, वहाँ तो और ज़्यादा है.
Oh.
वहाँ तो और ज़्यादा है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि वहाँ नहीं है, because वहाँ के लोग भी आए हैं मेरे पास स्पिरिट रिमूवल के लिए black magic, तो it prevails. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यहाँ आने के बाद ही, मतलब इस फील्ड में आने के बाद ही मुझे पता चला कि इतने केसेस आते हैं.
Doctor, you are a renowned numerologist and a tarot card reader. Could you show a little demo session of your tarot card expertise for our viewers? Can you please do that for us?
Sure, I can do that for you.
Let's set up then. Okay, let us know, guys, what Dr. Rajni R. Garg's cards tell about the LFB campaign. So, Dr. Rajni, tell us, आपके कार्ड्स क्या कहते हैं? LFB campaign is gonna rock pan India or no?
Yeah, sure. That's a really important question, actually.
Yes.
स्टार्टिंग तो अच्छी हुई है, बट बीच में थोड़ा स्ट्रगल्स है, और वो थोड़ा सा कोई भी चीज़ स्टार्ट होती है तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम तो आती है बीच में, बट आई थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू ओवरकम द
Overcome
ऑब्स्टेकल्स।
it.
हाँ,
Okay.
तो थोड़ा बीच में आएगा, सिचुएशन थोड़ी सी बीच में ऐसी ही रहेगी कुछ टाइम तक, फॉर एन अनसर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बट इफ़ यू कीप योर स्टैंड, इफ you're firm on your ground, तो you will be able to overcome it.
Okay.
तो वो है, बट स्टार्टिंग अच्छा दिखा रहा है और उसमें आपका सक्सेस भी दिखा रहा है, बीच में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है, बट फ्यूचर अच्छा है।
Future acha hai. So we are gonna rock. So guys, that was the Bong Beauty Dr. Rajni R. Garg for you. For all your problems to be solved, contact the LFB team to get in touch with Dr. Rajni R. Garg. Thank you, ma'am, for being on the LFB campaign. We are so honored to have you here.
Thank you so much, Veena.
Thank you, ma'am.